What's going on, guys? It's Temptation. Welcome back to the RPM Feed the Beast server. Today we're going to be doing quite a bit of stuff, and so I want to just jump right into it. First off, I'm going to go over to the new place and show you what I've done. It's practically finished. I've got a roof on it, and the entryway is done, and it looks really great. So the roof, we've got log supports going across and then glass. You can hardly see the glass with the connected textures, but it is there. And so nothing spawns up here except for on the logs, which are lit up, so nothing should spawn anyways. Front looks pretty good. I like the look of this. The top is kind of funky though. Made a little boat dock, just for looks. And then here's the inside. Pretty simple. Oh, we got a zombie under us. And then I kind of laid out where I want my machines to go as well in here. So that's what I done. Not very much. Well, it was a lot, but it doesn't look like a lot. That house is going to be really beneficial because besides that first area, we're going to be able to expand a whole lot beyond that. So go back up this way. Our compressor, I've got some advanced alloys cooking up in here, and then I'm going to cook up some carbon plates as well, because got to make a bunch of machine blocks, advanced machine blocks that is. There it is, and the boot. So we should have enough iron. Nope. Not at all. Let's see if we've got any in here. Oh, there we go. It's not going to be enough, but that's a start. And then let's go ahead and put another stack in there. In here. Boop. There we go with that. So what I want to make today is, as you know, we made a industrial blast furnace last episode. So what I want to make today is the machine casings that go along with it. We're just going to make the reinforced. The standard I think is not going to be enough, and the reinforced is going to be enough. So we've got iron or steel. We've got some advanced circuits and then the advanced machine blocks. So we got the steel. I'm probably going to cook up some more though, just to be sure. We've got almost 2 stacks, but you never know with this stuff. Okay, so I think we got actually some more coal over here. Coal coke. Nope, guess we used it. Okay. Yeah, we used it. That's all right. Okay, so steel. We got the steel. We need an advanced machine block. I swear I put the iron in there. The heck? That's strange. Did I not put the iron in there? Did I put it in? Oh, yep. Put it in the wrong one. That's how you lose stuff in this game. So let's just take 4 of those, just so we can make a advanced machine block. Get some more plates. This is gonna take a lot of stuff, I think. There's 4 of those. Not sure how many we need exactly. Okay, let's see. There's 2, 4, 6. So that'll make 3, which is actually 12. Okay, so this might not be too bad then. Might not be too bad. And I wish this compressor was a lot faster, but it's not. So let's get more. See, this is just back and forth, back and forth. That's all it is. I'm not really sure how many we'll need, and I don't want to overmake anything. And then, okay, so we just really need more circuits. Thing I like about this Electrum is you get 2 here, and then that multiplies to 4 here with the Electrum. There's one. I'm watching my resources. Make sure we still have enough, and we're out of yeah, we're out of Electrum down here, but that should be plenty. Okay, 1 and a 2 and a 3. That's 20. So what I want to do now, first of all, is go over and macerate some smoko. And then I want to go over to the other house and kind of lay this out where I want it. Excuse me there. So obviously these are going to be different wings of the house. I don't know if I explained that earlier. But then let's count. So if we get, let's take a few blocks here too. So if we go this way, we got 1 block here, and then we've got 3 blocks here. So if we move it over 1, then that's going to be, that's where we want it, right here. That's going to be even on each side, 2 blocks. 2 blocks even on each side. So that's what we want. Make sure it doesn't get too dark. Okay, so that's how we want to lay it out. The blast furnace, the industrial blast furnace, I want to have right over here. And a boop. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Just making show. And I had these laid out, but obviously not right. But that's okay, because it really gives you a good look of what it's going to actually look like. So this is 4 high, so we're going to need a couple more sets of this. That's not going to be too bad, though. And then I think we're going to have to fill the center with lava, is what I was told. It'll increase the heat resistance or something. Something like that. So we're going to do that as well. There we go. That looks good. I'm almost out of food here. I'm savoring all of my food. So the skeleton's kind of trying to get in here, but he can't. So go back to the house. And we just need advanced machine blocks. It looks like that's about all we need. And these things are a pain to make, I'll tell you that. They suck. Take too long. And they're just annoying. So yeah. I thought I did something with that. Oh. Beautiful. Guess we can't do that yet. But we can do that. There we go. Still got 1 left over. So I think we just need like 2 or 3 more sets of those to continue on. So there's 2 more machine blocks. Boop. And then just some more Advance. Oh, yeah, we need more electrum. And more circuits. And more electrum. I mean, we really don't have to use electrum. So, we'll just skip the electrum for now. Skip the electrum. And we'll just use redstone. Why not? But we are going to need some more lapis, that's for sure. Gimme. And some more of that. And some more of that. Where'd my redstone go? I put it up there. Okay, we should be good with that much. I hope. Let's just get some more lapis. And a boop. And a boop. There's 4. I don't want to overdo this here. And a boop. Okay, that, I believe that's enough. So let's go back over to the house. New house. Take a gander. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need one more. Just one more set. And luckily, it's already there. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. Also gonna need a lava bucket. I think it's a bucket of lava that we need. And there's my bucket. Yeah, I kind of closed this area off. So, to get a bucket of lava, we need to go to the nether. Well, that's the easiest way anyways. Don't really have to. Oh gosh. Oh look, it even made me a new portal. Okay, cool. But we got some lava right up here. Look at that. Handy dandy lava. Oh, I'm so excited to get this blast furnace finally working. Oh. Oh, what? I came out at BBBBCs. So that kind of sucks. Well, we might as well get our blast furnace, our industrial blast furnace, and take it over there. So this shall go right here, right? Is that correct? Please tell me I can click you. Hello? Incomplete machine casing. So what happens when I put this in? What is this? What does that do? Still incomplete machine casing. Okay, now if I put that, still incomplete. Now what? Incomplete. What does that mean? What you mean by that? Does it have to be sitting somewhere like in the middle? Also, we gotta be careful with this so I don't burn it. Oh, phew. Seriously? Did that just happen? Okay, it just happened. I could have sworn somebody told me to put lava in the middle. But it still says incomplete. Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I looked it up on the wiki. Learned that you actually need 2 buckets of lava in the middle. Like so. And then another casing on top. Now, yes, there we go. So that is our industrial blast furnace. Of course, it's going to need some power, but the fact that we just got it sitting there now is a big, big relief. So now that we have that, I don't know what to do. We've moved a lot of, or I've moved a lot of our solar panels over this way. And so maybe I can figure out what the center of this is. Okay, so we'll start like right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the center. And the center of this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5. Nope, okay. Just 4. So right here, on each side, we'll have an MFE. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. So this is where our first MFE is going to be. Actually, just right here. And there we go, it's charging. So this I want to do too because for the simple reason that once we get a ton of solar panels up here, these may charge so fast that we're gonna not even be using all the power from them. So goal here is if we got 2, then we can have 1 cable come straight down into like an MFSU and then zoop right down into the house, which I want to make this kind of a main attraction type deal. Which sounds weird now, but trust me, I'm a doctor. So that's that. And you know, it kind of sucks that my house is a odd house. So maybe instead of going down the middle, we'll have 1 line going down each side. That sounds about right. Okay, so now that we got that, the tricky part now for this house is I've got to figure out a system for my storage. Okay, which is not going to be easy. Because if we've got all of our machines here, we really are going to have to use one of these separate areas for our storage, which is going to require me to build more. So at this point in time, I don't think I'm going to move all my storage over here. You can see the quarry marker out there, so I'm going to quarry this out. So we'll have somewhere to build for our storage. And then maybe next episode I'll get that working, but it's going to take a long time, and it's probably going to be a really long episode for that one. So, what I want to do, I guess, there's really not much else to show here. I'm going to redo the same macerator furnace setup as we had over there right here. And then my regular just plain old machines over here. Just the same way. And so I don't really think there's much to show on that because you guys have already seen that. And if you haven't, then you should probably go watch that video. But my main goal is done. I've been trying to get this done for what, 17 episodes now, something crazy like that. But we're now done with that, so I'm very happy with that industrial blast furnace. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and I am going to go to our old house. Firstly, I'm gonna go there and then going to kind of start tearing down things that we don't need. The machines and stuff, I'm gonna move them over So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave a like down below. And we will see you, or I will see you, in the next episode.